Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is uh, a sense of humor is essential. The topic is a sense of humor is essential. Sense of humor is essential. Yes, I believe sense of humor is essential to live a healthy, happy life. And why I think so? Because uh, there are lot of people, and most of the people take life very seriously. And we often read news in the media, whatever in the newspaper, that people are committing suicide just because they felt uh, life is not going for them, life had nothing for them. So it's very important that we think in a different direction. We make sense of humor is an essential part of life. So whenever we are stressed, we have something to be happy about. Maybe like watch comedy shows, watch any laughter shows, anything that pleases you. So, and sense of humor is also, uh, and it's not something that people are born with. This is a skill. Everybody can learn sense of humor. If you learn sense of humor, life can be a bit better. So that's how I think about it. So in my opinion, again, a sense of humor is essential. It can give you happiness and you might become more happier than before. Thank you. Over to you.